BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. Microsoft is busy finalizing the next optional bug fix C-release updates for Windows 11 version 21H2, which is the original release, and Windows 10 22H2. Now for Windows 11 21H2, the update, which will be the next optional bug fix C-release update rolling out, is KB 5023774. which will bump the build of version 21H2 for Windows 11 up to build 22,000.1757. And for Windows 10 22H2, the update is KB 5023773 and will bump the build up to 19045.2787. And those updates are currently in their final testing in the release preview channel before Microsoft rolls the updates out over the next coming days. Now, just to put us into the picture, if we head over to the calendar, today we are on the 17th, so I would suggest that we can expect those updates to roll out starting the 21st, which would be next week Tuesday, and if they don't land next week, then they will definitely roll out the last week of March. So that's the optional C-release updates for Windows 11 21H2 and Windows 10 22H2. Now, there are no new features that the updates are carrying at this stage, and there are no security updates. They are bug fix updates. So if you want to stick around, just to mention a couple of the fixes that we can expect to see, I've just highlighted a couple of key highlights that may be of interest. Now, for Windows 11 21H2, the update addresses an issue that affects the command line. Apparently, it was failing when you set the system locale to Japanese. It addresses an issue that affects the notepad box in settings, and also addresses an issue that affects PowerPoint. There's two issues with PowerPoint. Apparently, it wasn't responding when you were using accessibility tools, and wasn't responding on the Azure Virtual Desktop. So that's two fixes for Microsoft PowerPoint. The update addresses an issue that affects Windows search in Windows 11 21H2. So that's a search issue that's been addressed. And the update addresses compatibility issues that affect some printers, and this one also is rolling out for Windows 10 22H2. So there is a bit of overlap with the fixes, and also addresses an issue that affects USB printers. So there's two fixes rolling out for printers, and with the USB printers, the issue was that the system was classifying the printer as a multimedia device, even though it wasn't a multimedia device. So was mixing the USB printer up as a multimedia device, and that issue has been addressed, and that's also rolling out for Windows 10 version 22H2. And that's it. That's more or less the key highlights. Not much really going on. And for Windows 10, over and above some other bug fixes, I've mentioned the two key highlights, mainly to do with printing, that have also rolled out for Windows 10. So as mentioned, next week we can expect those updates to start rolling out. If not next week, then the last week of March. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.